The myth of Arachne. In a small town of Lydia in northern Greece, there once lived a beautiful maid with the name Arachne. Arachne was famous in town for being a very skillful weaver and spinner, and every day many girls and nymphs would stop by to see her weave. However, Arachne was a very vain girl and couldn't stop boasting about her talent. She claimed that she had learned the skill all by herself and that there was no one else in the world who could weave as delicately as her. She even felt that she could compete against Athena, the goddess of skill, and win with ease. When Athena heard these words, she got disappointed and decided to disguise herself as an old lady and appear in front of Arachne. "My dear," she told Arachne, "I am old and have much experience from life, so let me give you one piece of advice. Don't ever mess with a goddess. No mortal can compete against Athena. Take back your words and kindly ask for forgiveness." Arachne got furious and threw a spool of thread at the old woman, telling her, "I don't need your advice. I know best what I can do. If Athena really dares, then she should come here and compete against me." At that moment, the old woman transformed herself into the radiant goddess Athena. At her appearance, everybody in the room kneeled down in awe. Not so Arachne, who couldn't wait to compete against her. Soon the competition started, and both contestants were doing really well. Athena was weaving the Parthenon and her contest with Poseidon. Arachne, on the other hand, was making fun of the gods by weaving scenes of gods full of weaknesses and fears. Arachne's work seemed to be perfect technically, yet it was not beautiful because it showed disrespect to the gods. When she saw this, Athena became very offended and told Arachne, "You may be foolish and stubborn, but you seem to love your work, so why don't you go ahead and spin forever?" With those words, Athena sprinkled her with the juice of magical herbs, and the body of Arachne transformed into a small and ugly animal, which today is known as the spider.